Welcome, and for me is a Cubot Power, and today I will show you how to block a number. So start off by opening up the dialer app, and from here there's a couple of ways you can go about it. If the number is one that basically calls you and it's in recent, you can just hold the number and then tap on block number like so, and now the number will be blocked. Or if you want to add one that, for instance, you don't see right here but you know the number, you can go the three dots right there and navigate into the settings, and from here you will find call blocking, and you can just simply tap on add a number and you get to put in the number that you want to, for instance, block, and that's all you do. And now both of those numbers are blocked. And if you want to remove them or one of them, once more you can just go into the settings, call blocking, and tap on the X to remove a specific number that you wish to not block anymore. And yeah, that is basically how you would block a number. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.